My channel would not be what it is if it was not for Turbo videos. Listen guys, Turbo is really what made my channel take off, so I'd be doing a injustice to not talk about it every other day at the very least. So we are back with another Turbo video, but in today's video, we're kind of going to have a focus on why quantitative easing might be coming back just a little bit sooner than we all think. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. Guys, I try to help you find the next 10, 20, 50, or even 100x gem in the market. If that is you, if you guys are looking for that, if you guys are scouring the markets to find that, this is the place to be. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so whenever I upload, you guys know about it right away. And like this video so YouTube pushes it out in the algorithm just a little bit more. Also, guys, at 20,000 subscribers, we are giving away over $2,000. So yeah, if you like free money, then this is the place to be subscribed to. With that being said, let's get right into today's video. Now, I do have some things to take a look at right off of rip here. You can see Lark Davis, a very well-respected crypto savant, out here saying, holy smokes, the Fed is starting to buy back $45 billion in debt every month starting January. This would inject massive liquidity into the markets. This only means one thing. QE is coming back, but this time they won't call it QE. We're out of consensus early and in size. The team led by Mark Cabana wrote in a client note that will result in an estimated Fed buying of at least $20 billion a month for natural balance sheet growth purposes and another $25 billion a month to reverse the reserve overdrain for at least the first 6 months, the team wrote. Guys, listen, 2026 is looking very promising. Very promising. Is alt season coming soon? Alt dominance has been moving exactly with the PMI. For now, default 4-year cycle is moving a bit differently with alts underperforming hard. Bitcoin dominance plus ETH dominance, USDT and USDC dominance show it perfectly. Keep an eye on a reverse, guys. Alts will pump. This is what I'm kind of talking about, okay? Altcoins have not had the rally that we have seen in previous cycles. Altcoins have yet to move the way that we've seen in previous cycles. I've been around since 2017. Not that that should matter at all, but I've seen how these markets move. I've seen how altcoins move. And guys, I'm telling you, we have not seen anywhere near what that looks like. And I believe that 2026 could be the year that, Bitcoin dominance falls off a little bit, but altcoin dominance, altcoin versus Bitcoin starts to absolutely crush it. And I will stand by that, right? You can see here the overall crypto market right now sitting at $3.11 trillion, Bitcoin at 89,000, Ethereum at $3,000 at the time of recording. Fear and greed index back down again, 22. I think it was at 25. Again, we are out of extreme fear levels, which is a good sign. Bitcoin down 0.48%, Ethereum down 0.09%, more or less kind of just moving stagnant, guys. What I do want to see out of everything is Ethereum's continue to do well, or it looks like it's up to 3,100 today. So it's fairly good, guys, up 0.27%. What I do want to see Ethereum do, guys, is hold above 4K. I want us to break into that 4K range. As of right now, the last couple of weeks, we haven't been able to break over 3,200 within the last month. You can see here, guys, we tried to break that level ever since that dip that we had in November 13th, and more or less for a month now, we haven't been able to break over that $3,200 zone. So again, if we're able to hold above that, that seems like the next resistance right now. If we get above, we hold above, that is going to be bullish. You're going to see a lot of money flow into your favorite meme coins as well. Turbo in the year down 80%. In the week, however, it is up 23%, sitting at $150 million market cap. Volume is at 79 million. If you guys are watching this video and you were around last summer, when turbo volume was constantly in the hundreds of millions of dollars, that was quite the time to be alive. The thing about turbo, guys, is it's already listed on every single exchange that you could possibly think of. All I see happening right now is the community is slowly losing faith, is losing interest in the project, and that is not what you want to see, okay? If you guys are part of the turbo community, you don't want to lose conviction on this project, because I do believe it is a really solid play. They're doing everything right. The only thing that I see happening is people are losing their patience, guys. And if you are the few people who are accumulating when nobody else wants to, you are the people that are also going to make it, right? Let's take a look at this post that I actually made. So look, crypto rewards patience more than anything. You wait while others rush. You build conviction while they panic sell. You hold steady when the chart looks hopeless. You stay calm while the bots scream that it's over. Then one quiet day when the market wakes up, your patience gets paid and everyone else wonders how you knew. Truth is, you didn't know. You just needed to wait. Time in the markets over timing the markets. Okay, guys? So keep a close eye on the markets. Don't leave, because that would be the worst thing that you guys can do. If you sell and just leave, that means you gave up, and nobody loses in crypto. They only give up. Okay. If you are here right now, you can see that it's in between two ranges, the $100 million range and the 225. We're right in the middle of that, guys. Obviously, I want to see us retest that resistance zone, hold above it potentially, and that would validate a next move towards that, I want to say, 0.786 Fibonacci level, which it is at 242 million. The next move, again, strongly is going to be correlated with what Ethereum does. If Ethereum is able to hold above 3,200 or break above 3,200, you're going to see a revisit of that 240 million-dollar mark, which is the 0.786 fib level, or the $215 million range, whatever you want to call it. However, if Ethereum takes a hit, you're going to see this as well, right? A turbo fall back down to that support area at 99 million. This support area has been very pivotal. It's been crucial. It's been an area that we haven't lost yet, right? You can see we touched off of this in April. We touched off of this in November, and the last time we were here was back in May of 2024. So again, this support area, very, very bullish. If we revisit this area, guys, that is a perfect opportunity. That is a perfect time to be accumulating, in my humble opinion. Obviously, not financial advice. Polymarket shows a 93% chance of a 25 basis points rate cut in December. Only 5 days left before the FOMC meeting. A cut would mark a real shift towards softer policy and could boost liquidity across markets. Now, I'm not sure how many days this is. I think the FOMC meeting is supposed to be December 10th. Correct me if I am wrong, but we are getting fairly close to that day. I think it's December 8th right now. So yeah, guys, rate cuts should be coming. 25 basis points. I feel like it's already baked into the market. If we get 50 basis points rate cut, that is going to be very bullish for the market as a whole. Now, one thing I will say, make sure you follow Turbo over on X. They have a very cool round table today at 8 p.m. If you guys want to tune into an AMA, guys, today at 8 p.m. Central Time, you guys want to tune in because they are going to be doing a little AMA or like a get to know them type of thing. You guys should definitely join. They're partnering with Mansory for this as well, which is super cool. Coin of the day by market sentiment. This was posted by Crypto Dep, which has over 100,000 followers on X. Turbo token, first meme coin created by AI. It started as an experiment when the founder asked GPT-4 to invent a new standout meme coin, and Turbo was born. Super cool. Turbo ate up on that dip from the recent swing 3-week low. It has been one of the best performing memes on ETH in these recent times, with ETH BTC showing signs of strength. Turbo needs to break the current range to confirm a reversal on the weekly, which will eventually happen as liquidity returns to the market. Plus, we get a decent bounce off the 50 SMA. Daily charts are looking strong here. Load the freaking toad. If you guys want to know what cryptos I am buying and selling, guys, join the Memecoin Mastery private Discord. Link is in the description. With that being said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I will see you in the next video. And remember, these videos that I make are for entertainment and education only. And if you enjoyed, then hey, amazing. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. Peace out, y'all.